Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will learn about lower and upper built-in function in CL program. So for the demonstration of same, here I have created one program. So let's go through that. So I'm opening this program in edit mode. So let me tell you about the process. Like as its name suggests, lower function is used to convert the characters into lowercase, and upper built-in function is used to convert the characters into uppercase. Okay, so now we will see how we can utilize or what are the syntax of using this upper and lower function in CL program. So for the demonstration of same, we need to declare few variables. So on line number 11, I have declared one variable as name, and the length of variable is 7. It is of type character, and we have stored the value as Sharmit. Below to that, we have declared one another variable which is uppercase, and it is also character type of length 7, and another variable we have declared as lowercase. So these are the three variables. So basically in the first variable we will store the value, and the other two variable will be used to retrieve the converted value from the function, and then we will store that into these variable. So now we will see how we can utilize this function percentage upper. So to use the percentage upper, you just need to write chgvar and then take F4. So once you take F4, it will take you to this screen where you can pass the CL variable name. Let's say I want to store my output in uppercase variable, so I will write it here, ampersand uppercase. Below to that, we are using the function. So syntax is quite easy. You just need to write percentage upper, and inside the parenthesis you can pass the variable which you want to convert to uppercase. So I'm passing the ampersand name variable here. Okay, so once this line is executed, the text which is written inside this name variable will get converted into uppercase, and then we will store it into uppercase variable. Okay, so the conversion is done. Now to show this on output screen, I am using the snd pgm msg command to print the output, and as it is correct, as it is already in character, so we are not converting anything. We are just directly passing it in this snd pgm msg command so that it will print the output on the screen. So once these two lines get executed, it will convert the value to uppercase, the one which is stored in this, like here Sharmit will be converted to uppercase, and then it will be printed on the screen. Now we will see about how we can use the lower function. So lower function is same syntax. You just need to replace the upper with lower. So here on line number 24, I'm using chgvar command, then taking 4. After taking F4, you will be reached to this screen, and here you can pass the variable where you want to store your lower output, the one which is written by the lower built-in function. So I have passed as ampersand lowercase, and below to that I'm using this function using percentage lower, and inside parenthesis I'm passing the variable name. And just to show on the output screen, I'm using the sndpgmsg command to print this on output screen. So let's see how the output will look like. So I'm compiling it. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So first value we get is capital Sharmit. Below to that we are getting the all small case Sharmit. So this is how we can utilize this upper and lower function. It is very useful function. Most of the time, like whenever there is a need to convert everything into uppercase or lowercase, then we will use this function. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and in the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.